Hello students, today we'll deal with subject energy engineering. Energy engineering subject is a very important subject for a mechanical engineer. It is one of the core subject and this subject is used in various processes of the industry as well as in all applications of the engineering. This subject is having a paper of 100 marks. Now we'll discuss regarding what is included in this subject, what we'll study in this subject, what are the units in this subject. So let's go for the syllabus of this subject unit wise. Unit number 1 is related to the introduction of this subject. When talking about the introduction of this subject, we'll first of all go for the basic of this subject. What is energy? What are the forms of the energy? And some terms which are related to the energy. There are two parts in this unit, part A and part B. You can see over here, part A and part B. First part is of power generation, in which we'll study global scenario, present status of power generation in India and in Maharashtra, role of private and government organizations, load shedding, carbon credits, pitfalls in power reforms, concept of cascade efficiency. So, very general terms will study the overall energy scenario will study in part A, just like what is the present status of power production or power generation in India as well as in our state, that is Maharashtra. Along with that, what are the government organizations which are producing the power? What are the private organizations which are producing the power? And what is the amount of power they are producing? Along with this, we all know what is load shedding. What is the meaning of the load shedding? Why the government has to go for the load shedding? Where we are going for the load shedding? At what time we are going for the load shedding? And all such things we study in part A. Along with that, some other terms which are important, that is carbon credits. What are carbon credits? How we can gain the carbon credits? How we can sell the carbon credits, and so on. All these things will study in part A of unit number 1. While part B, which is related to economics of power generation, introduction, cost of electric energy, fixed and operating cost with numerical treatment. So in the examination, there will be definitely one numerical on fixed and operating cost and some cost of electric energy to find out the cost of electric energy. Along with this, we'll study selection and type of generation, selection of generation equipment, performance and operation characteristics of power plants, and tariff methods. Tariff methods is important. terminology which each and everyone, not only the engineers, but each and every citizen of any country should know what is the tariff methods, how the bills are generated, how the electricity cost has been incurred, what are the methods that we study in tariff methods. Thank you.